Again, we don't have anything like that now. This is 2020, not 2000. The smartphone is ubiquitous, and it's spawned a collection of successful industries. High-speed broadband's everywhere. We now have a cloud to migrate to, replacing expensive on-premise software. These are real companies making real money. I don't see a lot of hucksters. Remember when Elon Musk was supposed to be a huckster? I don't know. To me, it looks like that he deserves what he's gotten, which is a lot of money. All right, that's why I don't see these tech titans collapsing under their own weight. In the current environment, I think they can keep running. Yes, and that includes the stock of Microsoft, where I'm pretty sure numbers will be raised and price targets moved up. So what could change things? I mean, what am I worried about? All right, the first, if we can contain the pandemic, meaning more testing, more mask wearing, and a new stimulus package, then the big cap tech stocks will become a lot less enticing. Money will flow back into the roughly 300 companies, the S&P 500, that are down for the year. The 300 that benefit from a reopened economy. All right? We'll be going out, traveling, and that means the money from the Cramer COVID-19 winners will rotate into COVID losers. It's just what happens, people. The companies aren't going to change. The shareholder base will. I see this as inevitable because sooner or later we'll get a vaccine. But inevitable does not necessarily mean now or even in the next 3 months or even in the next 6 months. To the government. Next week, there are congressional hearings where the heads of Apple, Amazon, Google, and Facebook will have to testify about market concentration and anti-competitive behavior. Meanwhile, Slack just filed an antitrust complaint against Microsoft for illegally stifling competition, allegedly. If there's an antitrust crackdown on big tech, you'll see some real declines here, because then we'll have a lot less visibility into their future earnings streams. Sure, some of these companies are worth more broken up, but that's a long, convoluted way of thinking. Third is China. If the White House goes into full-bore Cold War with China, and it does look like we might, many of these companies will lose a major chunk of their sales, especially Apple. If President Trump presses too hard, then Apple stock gets hammered. That's the largest company, and it can drag down the rest of FANG, even though they have much less China exposure.
Don't miss a second of Mad Money. Follow @Jim Cramer on Twitter. Have a question? Tweet Cramer. #MadTweets. Send Jim an email to madmoney@cnbc.com or give us a call at 1-800-743-CNBC. Miss something? Head to madmoney.cnbc.com.